Now we will first heat some oil in a pan and add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds or mohri or rye, followed by half a teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds. Next we'll go half a teaspoon of hing or asafoetida, followed by half a teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder. Now we'll add 1 green chili which has been cut into 2 halves, followed by some fresh curry leaves, say about 8 to 9. Then we'll add 1 medium-sized onion chopped, since we are making kanda pohe. The onion or the kanda is very important. Give all of this a nice mix. Now we're going to cover and cook this a little while so the kanda or the onion becomes translucent. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes on a low to medium flame. Now our kanda is nice and soft. So now we are going to add some potatoes. You can either add boiled potatoes. Here I am adding raw potato which I have washed and cut into thin slices. You can even leave out the potato if you are not a big potato fan. There are many different ways of making this pohe. Every household has their own special recipe. Now we have to check and see whether our potatoes are done. Now for the pohe, I'm making the pohe for about 5 people. So I've taken about 2.5 cups of pohe. Actually, the ideal way of measuring your pohe is taking a handful for each person. What you have to do is wash the pohe in a kind of a colander or a sieve 3 times under water and just leave it for all the water to drain out. So now we've added the pohe, the washed pohe or flattened rice. Give it a nice mix so all the masala or the bagar that we have given gets nicely mixed up with the pohe. You shouldn't be able to see any white strands of pohe. This is such an amazing breakfast item and it's so healthy too. So now we're going to season our pohe with some salt to taste. I'm adding about 1 teaspoon. You can always add as per taste, followed by just a few sprinkles of sugar, say about 1/4 teaspoon. Again, give all of this a good mix. And now we will again cover this for about, now I'm just sprinkling a little bit of water. This will just help the cooking process. And you'll get very nice and puffed up pohe with the water added, a little bit of a different kind of texture. So now, after covering it and cooking it for another 2 minutes, we're going to garnish it with some coriander or cilantro or kothimbeer. You can also add a little bit of grated coconut. And now we're just going to squeeze in a little bit of lime. This is optional. You can always, keep a little bit of lime at hand. So for those who like lime, they can squeeze the lime. For those who don't like lime, you can just leave it out. Our gas is switched off at this point. So now you have some amazing pohe all ready to have. Now, some of us like fried peanuts on the top of it, so I fry the peanuts separately and just garnish it with some lovely fried peanuts. This gives a nice crunch to the dish. So I hope you like this lovely breakfast recipe. Please leave your comments below, and thanks so much for watching. See you in another video. This is Akshata saying bye. Please do give this video a big like. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please hit the bell icon for updates. Visit my channel for more than 140 recipes. And thanks for watching. Bye. See you in another video.